Good day everyone. I'm Regan Gupta, an associate TMA at Infoblox. This video will walk you through the Infoblox NIOS integration with Ansible, its instances, and solutions as well. Agenda for this video is as displayed. Ansible is a popular open source automation tool used for various IT tasks such as configuration management, app deployment, and provisioning. This integration provides a set of modules and plugins for managing NIOS grid objects such as networks, IP addresses, and DNS records through APIs. Have a look at the current resources, capabilities we offer with this integration. There are currently 20 plus modules and 4 plugins. Now, let's discuss why automating with Ansible. It will break silos and build bridge between logical IT services. You have to wait hours or days for a network assignment, and when you do get the assignment back, it is already used or it is in the wrong area. That's not correct and of no use. It automates manual process of resource allocation as they are error prone and challenging across hybrid deployments. It leverages a common framework and integrates network assignment into automated workflows. Moreover, it supports Infoblox as single source of truth. It also enables dynamic inventory source for Ansible and thus reduces complexity by creating self-service for new network assignments. Now let's discuss instance where a network administrator at a company, the company which is getting popularity and gaining more user base now instead of earlier, you now need to scale up your infrastructure for a larger audience, or say a particular server runs out of service or is down for maintenance. Now, hence, they need to constantly go back and rebuild their servers environment, and they couldn't do this continuously and be consistent. There was no standard documentation, and they rely only on the network administrator's memory. To be able to do this consistently, imagine how complex this could get as you are scaling up with a popular product that now has tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of users. This is where Ansible would come in and help you. Now you can deploy playbooks that would have specific instructions that would define the architecture and structure of your hardware, nodes, and environment. And you are able to do that as a standard product instead of it being a problem in scaling up environment. You are now able to rebuild and create new servers in a matter of seconds. The bottom line here is Ansible has been able to provide the company with IT automation, consistent configuration, and save a lot of man hours and money both from the operations team. Now, let's discuss lifecycle management of your resources through this another use case and try to deploy its solution as well. Let's say in a peak traffic time, you run out of throughput with one of your Infoblox appliances. Now you are able to create and delete new infrastructure quickly to meet the traffic demand. Something like Black Friday retailers, they see a massive increase in traffic and that too only for a few days. With the Ansible playbook, you can build and start your infrastructure to meet the demand of few days or peak hours to prevent your system from being locked up and deprovision it as soon as your traffic returns to normal. The solution to our discussed use cases. Here we see an iOS grid user interface. We have a clean machine here. There's no object created yet. We are using a YAML script here which is known as playbook, and here we declare our username and password, and we declare tasks below such as creating a DNS view, creating a zone, creating a network, etc. Interesting point here. While creating a host record, I'm using a lookup plugin here, which is called as NIOS Next IP to query the NIOS API for the next available IP and assign it to the variable. Now we can simply run this playbook with a single terminal command and see the changes happen in the grid. Here we see a network is created and Ansible DNS view is created as required, a zone and a record, host record with IPv6 and IPv4 address is created. You can also deprovision these resources in a similar fashion with a single playbook. And we would see all of the resources getting disappeared. Let's just move to why change and why Infoblox. We believe you cannot control what you can't see. Hence, visibility plays a crucial role in your network ecosystem. And by using Infoblox tools, you can leverage it by automating it and getting a better control of it. With this integration, you can use the NIOS member modules to automate grid members and manage its life cycle. This can be leveraged in other playbooks that are already a part of your ecosystem. A lot of examples are present at Ansible Galaxy and Infoblox Open GitHub. Thank you for watching this video. Keep an eye out on the official Ansible page and Infoblox website for any further updates.